Sawadee ka everybody, it's Niall and Thailand here. Let's put on the mask. So I am out to see another condo today, and this one is literally just walking distance from my last one. Like it's another base condo. So there's like, I think there's like 3 or 4 base condos in this one little square. So I'll flip you around here. Like the building you're seeing right here, that's where I live right now. And then obviously I'm looking here, there's also another base condo just here. So like there's like 3 or maybe even 4 base condos literally just around this little square here, around this square of Hapato. So we're gonna go inside now, we're gonna have a look at it. It's a 2-bedroom condo, that's why we're looking at it. I just need a little bit more space. Base condos are kind of known in this area, like it's like a little franchise of condos. And they're known for being very modern buildings and having, you know, pretty good amenities, but being a little bit, you know, sparse on the space in the actual condos themselves. So 2-bedroom could be exactly what I need. Like, you know, I just need a little bit more space to, you know, get my work done and for my lady to be able to get her work done. So we're gonna go in, check this out. This one here, they're looking for a 6-month contract, you're looking at 18,000 baht, and for a 12-month contract, it's 16,000 baht. So it's, you know, I will only be looking for a 6-month contract because that's all I have left here. Well, all going well, of course. So that'll be double what I'm paying at the moment. I'm gonna try and get them down the price. I'm gonna try and get them down to about 15 or 16K. So we'll see how that goes. And yeah, let's go and check it out. Okay guys, so you come in here and you're straight into the living room. I'm just gonna turn around here. It's a good sized living room, I gotta say. Pretty happy with it. Like, got space for everyone. You have your little dining table, TV, and two-person sofa. And I'm really happy with the view. Check this out. Straight onto the city. There's a soccer field here. I didn't even know there was a soccer field. And a big, massive swimming pool. Actually, this is a very nice area of Bangkok here. These houses have a real kind of a real Georgian feel to them. So yeah, it's a good sized room. I'm just gonna do a quick little count here. Like it must be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's about 6 or maybe 7 meters wide. It's a good size. And then you have your little kitchenette here. So plenty of cupboard space. Like we don't have this in the other place. Like we have pretty much this here. It's the same, but you have a little unit there. Good for prepping food. And you're out onto your balcony. So you've got 3 aircon units. And then you can see main Sukhumvit Road. Fridge is about the same as what we currently have. Like, to be fair, a lot of the fittings in the base condos do be similar, but floor area here is far superior than what we have right now. So 2-bedroom, this is one of the 2 bedrooms. Again, this is quite bigger than the bedroom we have. So there's a good bit more floor space here, which is nice. And then you have the smaller of the 2 bedrooms. This would be a perfect office. So like I would be looking to disassemble this bed and just put it into storage somewhere. And then just put a kind of a desk and chair into the building. Like you have really kind of 2 nice views here. There's a tennis court as well here. Didn't know about. So yeah, good views. And then like the living room is quite spacious. Okay, so let's check out the bathroom. Good sized bathroom as well. It's probably a little bit bigger than what we currently have. What's this? Similar fittings to what we currently have, but it looks like a bigger bathroom, which is good. Okay, I'm very happy with the condo. And I'll be honest, if the amenities are anything like the building I'm in at the moment, I imagine it probably might even be a little bit nicer. But if they're even anything like it, then it's well worth it. Like the space this solves the space issues we have. I like the views here. There's the Habitat Mall. Oh, look at the Habitat Mall. It's got the solar powered roof. Cool. It's a really nice view of Onnut from up here. Okay, so we're in another condo now. Actually, this one is directly below the previous one we just looked at. So yeah, pretty much the same views that you're getting, like, you know, a little bit closer, obviously, to the Georgian buildings down there. But I gotta say, it's pretty much a carbon copy. Like, the furniture is a little bit different, but other than that, actually, maybe even not too much different. So, you know, similar kind of wardrobes and beds. They have white tables and chairs here instead of the pine ones that they have upstairs. But it's got to be said that they're pretty much very similar. I think I prefer the one upstairs a little bit more, just like the furniture a little bit better. And the view is a little bit nicer because you're a little bit higher up. But what the same, baby? Like, let's do the. It's a good mattress. So yeah, I gotta say, like, it's really like pick your poison. Like, they're both the same kind of style. Same price, I believe. The same price, baby. Yeah. Okay, same price. Okay. Let's take a quick look. Okay, so it's not on, but it's okay. Look, it's the same. You know what I mean? It's gonna be same fitting, same furnishings. So you come out here, and this is where the gym and the pool is. Okay, cool. Like, oh, I like this actually. This little recessed feature. I always like them. In some of the kind of pools, they have a little clear wall, so you can see into the pool, which is a nice little feature. It's a little bit rainy, a little bit of drizzle right now, so you're seeing a little bit of rain come down. And again, a little kids paddling pool. Nice. So you have your little shower here before going into the pool. You have changing in locker rooms. Oh, they're still doing this here. They're not doing this in our building, where they're limiting the people that can go into the gym at any given time. Let's see if we can go in. Doesn't appear to be anyone here right now, which is good. It's always busy in the base condo we're in at the moment. Equipment looks newer. I don't know if it's newer, but you know, same kind of machines. Well, maybe a little bit more actually. We only have 4 weight machines, so we don't have this guy here, the lat pull down. We do have that one. We have those. Okay, we have similar-ish, I suppose, but less treadmills and less cross trainers. So I suppose that might be an issue. There's TV in here. It's kind of cool. Well, some things they have and some things they don't. The water is a good addition as well. We don't have a water fountain or water cooler. And and this is kind of a good feature as well. Like, you can just borrow a towel. Mm-hmm. I kind of bought a bunch of towels, but it's good to have. Good stuff. Thank you. All right. Okay, so they do have these kind of like little coaches that you can get to the main Sukhumvit Road. And you know, like, if you don't really want to walk there's a walk around the bridge. If you don't really want to take the bridge, if you don't want to walk to Sukhumvit Road, you can just take that one. And I've kind of shown you Habitat a couple of times, but, like, you know, this just shows you how close you are to a nice little food area. So, like, there's some nice food trucks there. Saudi camp. And then you have Habitat itself. Like, you know, it's got a Starbucks where I go, like, I work there all the time, but won't be doing it as much these days if I have my little office set up in the condo. So like, you know, you have a Starbucks, you have a Subways, you have a 7-Eleven, you've got a Boots, you have a restaurant there called Tonic. It's a kind of a health food restaurant, very nice, like an Amazon cafe. They have that pizza place up on the first floor that does the 2 pizzas for 450 baht. So yeah, like a lot of stuff on your doorstep. Nice. A lot to think about. So I haven't tried to negotiate with her yet. Like, you know, we're still kind of looking at places. That's probably the best I've seen so far. Like, you know, the base condos are just, they're very, they can be a bit basic, but they're very reliable. Like, you know, like it's just, it's like the Ryanair of condos here in Bangkok. So, like I said, a lot to think about. It's the best option so far, I think, especially for the price. And the location, I love this location anyway. Like I'm really happy in Onnut. And this location in particular is just so private, so quiet and secluded. Very happy with it. I haven't negotiated with her yet. She is saying, she's quoted us the price of 16,000 baht a month. I'm trying to get her down to about 15,000. I think that's a fair price. It's only 1,000 baht, like less than she's asking. And the reality is, I don't see a lot going on here in Thailand for the foreseeable future. So it is pretty much a renter's market right now. So you know, you might as well try and get the deals while you can. So yeah, I'm gonna try and get it down to 15,000, and if I can do that, then I'm happy with that, I think. So yeah, you have to pay 3 months rent, like pretty much the same as usual. So that's 45,000 baht, and it also means, like, you know, because I'll be breaking my lease here in this other place, it means that I'm not going to get that deposit back. At least I don't expect to. There's a little bit of a winter facelift on the selfie bridge. Looks like they're prepping it for Christmas. Good stuff. So yeah, sorry, I got derailed there. I don't expect I'll get my deposit back for this place. So like I'm basically just waving goodbye to 20,000 baht there. These things happen, you know. Same thing happened in Ireland, to be fair. So it's the cost of the hidden costs inside of a low-cost living lifestyle. So anyway, let me know what you guys think. There's a lot for me to think about here, and I'll be in touch soon. Cheers.